Alright, so I recorded a live trading morning here, but I just want to make a recap, something different here on the day. So coming into today, it was a no news Monday, right? So I want to keep that in mind. Um, and I just want to show the trade that I took here. So looking on NQ here and ES. ES was a lot higher than NQ, right? So ES was looking to take out this 4-hour external um, draw up here, right? The reason here, let me go over the 4-hour actually. So my bias on the day was leaning more towards like bearish. So internal, or we could see us delivering from this big 4-hour gap on both ES and NQ. We generate buy side. We then run buy side. We see us get lower, getting through this 4-hour gap here, putting in a change to the downside. Same thing on both pairs, or on both indexes. Excuse me. We then see us open today. So we run higher. We're inside this 4-hour gap here. We're inside the BPR on the 1-hour here. We have this big gap as well as this gap here. Imbalance here, and then this gap up here. Right, so we're back inside of that. We see ES running higher, looking to take out buy side up here. And then we see NQ take buy side here. Right, so I'm looking on NQ, open comes here. So I'm looking on NQ, take out buy side, right? After we take buy side, I'm looking, right? No change in the state. We run higher, we manipulate internal high. And then after that, on the 30-second, we get through this 30-second gap and we get through this change to the downside cleanly, right? So boom, I throw on my short here. Stops go above this 30-second gap. So right here is where my stop loss is. I then target here, sell side, and then standard deviation. So right here, which looks like it could be on its way to getting hit. Right, as you can see, we instantly run higher. We fill this inverse, get lower, and then we literally wick me out by, literally a couple fucking points. Super quick, boom, boom, pull back, instant pullback, like wick, pull back, go a little higher, and then we just dump from there straight to TP. So honestly, on the day, just poor positioning. Stop loss could definitely have been just at the high, right? Just protected high. Everybody, it's just a small little hiccup on the day. It is what it is. We just learn from it. We move on. One thing I will note here is I was already down 230 on the day just with this one trade, and that was it for me. So I told myself I wasn't trading anymore, and I didn't. But this was super clean. So I was skeptical taking this just because this high was here and ES was like looking like it really wanted it. How we were just sitting in this range. So I was like, I don't know how I feel about this. This high looks like it could get banked, but we'll see. So boom, I take my trade. We then run higher. I'm like, okay, this high's gonna get taken. We still don't take it again, but ES takes internal high. NQ does not, and we put in a clean SMT. So with that SMT getting put in, I did not take any type of re-entry on like the 15-second or anything, although it would have been clean, like super clean here, right? With this being the change, and then this being a clean inverse. Boom, just one candle right there. Stops at the high, and you could have rode that down, to wherever, right? But I did not take it because I was not willing to just put on more cap. It was a no news Monday, really. At the end of the day, it was a no news Monday, and I'm trying to keep my, my losses small. So on ES, it was super clean though. So ES, you can just see the type of delivery we got. But if you look here on 15-second, this leg here, we run, we take buy side here with this leg right here. We open up a clean 15-second. And here's our change. Now, if you want, and I have a video a couple days ago of me kind of doing this. As soon as this gets inversed, because if we're gonna go to this high, this is gonna hold, right? If we get through this, I can expect us to at least run internal lows here inside this gap. So you can do this here. As soon as we get through this gap, this is your entry. Just off the inverse, purely just the inverse. Stops can go right above here, or you can keep it a little tight, risking less, right at these internal highs here, because then we open up a BPR. As soon as this low gets taken inside this gap, you break even. So right here, boom, this gets hit, you break even right away, instantly. And now you're risking nothing, right? So boom, you break even from there. You can target 930 low here, which I have marked out for a clean 1 to 3.2. You can target standard deviation, which is like a super clean leg here. This can be your TP2, which boom, clean gets hit 1 to 5.4. And then you can target just sell side. This is just what I would do. Boom, 1 to 7.6. Super clean. I wish I could have got to capitalize on this. Just wish I would have waited a little bit longer just to see what we did with this high. Because I mean, we're just sitting here. It's either we take it or we take internal high. So I definitely could have just sat through the storm a little bit more, or you know, at least kind of just put my stop loss at the high. It's kind of unfortunate we got wicked, but it is what it is. It's Monday. You know, we just learn. Are we coming to the rest of the week ready? So I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna upload a full video tomorrow, just of the trading day. So catch you guys then. Peace.